name is Kate and I am part of the MarineMax Huntington team here in Huntington, New York. Today I would love to show you the 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This model is an IO, so it does come equipped with twin engines. Starting in the rear of the boat, there is a beautiful swim platform complete with sea decking. There is also a great sunpad with reclining bolsters. This area will give you a great way to view what's going out in the water and a great place to hang out. There are also fusion stereos, charging ports for your electronics, and LED lights in these cup holders. So if you're out all day, you'll still be able to see what's going on. Right here, there's an easy access panel for your battery and charging ports. Coming forward a little bit, there is a step right here to make getting on and off of the boat at the dock very easy. Coming forward into the boat does come equipped with infinity woven vinyl flooring and a stone interior, as well as a hardtop. On the back of the hardtop, there's an extendable sunshade, which will come all the way out to the rear of the boat, giving you plenty of cover from that sun if you're out all day. The hardtop does also come equipped with a sunroof, which you can be completely closed if you need a break from that sun, or open if you're out on the water and you're really enjoying the day. You do also have a refrigerator and a sink right here for entertaining, for cooking for your guests, or having food for your guests. Coming forward, there is a rotating passenger seat to make sure that everyone is involved with the party at all times, so you're always in that conversation. This boat does come equipped with a nice sized bed, which will give you plenty of room for all of your guests. This boat also comes equipped with a joystick, a fusion stereo, and the multi-function Simrad display screens. Moving forward to the front of the boat, there is plenty of seating on the bow, complete with armrests for a nice comfortable sitting area, great room for entertaining, as well as a windlass anchor up at the front. If you have any questions about this boat or any of the boats in our inventory, please feel free to give us a call at 631-424-2710, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Thank you.